In this video, you are going to learn how to conduct an item analysis and a distractor analysis. Here is a citation that we used in order to make the code for this video, so feel free to check out this resource in order to learn more about the CTT package, which is the classical test theory package. Remember that these data are for educational purposes only. They're not real and shouldn't be used to inform your opinion about the subject matter. First, we are going to load some packages. If you don't have these packages yet, feel free to go and download them now using install.packages. We're going to import our data. And here's what our data look like. Today, we're specifically going to be interested in these items, which are our multiple choice items. So these are 15 multiple choice items coded for item type, but we're generally interested in all of them now, regardless of item type. 0 means that the test taker got this item incorrect, and 1 means that they got the item correct. First, we'll take a look at Cronbach's alpha with all the items included. So our overall Cronbach's alpha is 0.82. Then we'll run the item analysis. It's important to note that in R with different packages, if an item has no variation, meaning all test takers got the item correct or all test takers got the item incorrect, R does not include that item in the item analysis. So what you see here using this function, you're going to see a different overall alpha. So it's a higher alpha because R has automatically gotten rid of each item that all test takers got correct. So we can see that, for example, this item, all test takers got this item correct. So R automatically gets rid of this item for the purpose of doing the item analysis. This is important to remember, and it's a difference between R and SPSS. So the reason we ran Cronbach's alpha on all of our items to begin with is to see that with all items, without deleting any, our Cronbach's alpha is 0.82. But this R package that does the item analysis is giving a higher Cronbach's alpha because it's automatically deleting some. So here we see reliability if the item is dropped, and we only see this value for items that had some level of variation already. We don't see alpha if item dropped for the items that had no variation. And here are some item level statistics. Next up, you can use this code in order to look at the item facility, and we can peek inside that variable, and this is the item facility for all items. And then lastly, for the distractor analysis, I am going to use some preloaded data in the CTT package in order to show you how to do this. You could also do the same thing, but you want to think about trying to get your data in a similar format in order to use this package. So if you are going to use this distractor analysis package from R, you want your data to be entered like this. And you want your key, so the correct answers, to be entered like this. So for the first item in this package, which is item I1, the key is D. So you can see this string of test takers got D, there are some others got it incorrect. And then into the distractor analysis function, you input your data and then the key. And the output that you get is an item by item distractor analysis. So we can take a look at item number 1, for example, which D was the key. And we can see some interesting statistics associated with this item.